Hi, I'm Pati Jinich. I'm chef, cookbook author, and host of Pati's Mexican Table and La Frontera on PBS. And I have so many great things here for you today. You know, the big game is the #1 occasion where avocados and guacamole are served and prepared. And as you can see here, we're decked out in this new Avocado Glow kitchen. Avocados from Mexico created a home collection inspired by their new Avocados from Mexico Pantone color, because Avocados from Mexico just make everything better, from eating it to when you open it, and the color and feel you get, you can now have it in your home. So just ahead of the big game, consumers can make their space better by getting the Avocado Glow collection and add a vibrant pop of color to their home ahead of their big game viewing party. The Avocado Glow collection includes a throw pillow, beautiful wallpaper, this cute apron that I just don't want to take off, these oven mitts, a set of coasters, guacamole bowl, and even a serving tray. And I've got 3 delicious guacamole recipes for you to try. I have a 3 chile guacamole, which has not 1 or 2, but 3 different chiles and some cherry tomatoes on top. It has a smoky guacamole that has a mix of roasted, charred onion, garlic, and chile mixed with avocado topped with queso fresco. You could add bacon or chorizo to it too. And then I also have my latest guacamole creation, which is a ginger and pistachio guacamole, which has fresh ginger, fresh lime juice, chile, a little bit of honey, top it with pistachio. And you can top that on an avocado toast, on a tostada, with a salad. And on the coaster here, we have the avocado take on the margarita, which is an aborita. You can visit avocadosfrommexico.com for a chance to win an Avocado Glow collection. It is a limited edition line and it will go fast. I already entered for mine, so enter quickly for a chance to give your home the ultimate glow up for the big game. You can also visit avocadosfrommexico.com to find the recipes that I shared today and discover other ways to get inspired by avocados every day.